Number 3 on lesson 11, we're looking at a commission problem. If you're not sure what commission is, it's a portion of the selling price that the salesperson gets to keep if they make a sale. All right, and it's always a percentage. It's usually a small number. They get to keep a little bit of the price of what they sell. That's how they earn their money as a salesperson. It's incentive for them to sell things for their employer. So Lynn is shopping for a couch with her dad, and he hears him ask the salesperson, "How much is your commission?" And the salesperson says that they make 5.5% of the selling price. Well, let's think about that percentage for a second. 5.5%. Probably better to think of it in decimal form, which looks like this. Sorry, that's not decimal form. It's still percent form, but with the decimal instead of the mixed number. Okay, decimal form of this number would be 2 decimal moves to the left, which would be the working number that we're going to use, 55 thousandths. Okay, all of these are equivalent. They're the same number. This one's just easier to type in the calculator. All right, so that's the one that we're going to be using for this problem. And the first question here is, how much commission will the salesperson earn by selling a couch for $495? All right, so I will do this one as a table. We did some examples of this in class with a table. So we think of the commission as a part that they get to keep, and then the sale price, so like what they sell the actual item for. So if we look at these two numbers, we know that the sale price is $495, and to get the commission, all we have to do is multiply by our rate. So to get over to the commission, we can just multiply by 0.055. And that's it for this type of problem. It will tell us what portion that they get to keep of the selling price of the couch. So 0.055 or 5.5%. Too many fives. Let's take some of those off there. And then we multiply that by $495, and we get our commission, which is $27. And that 5 in the thousandths place will round this to 23 cents. So 27.23. So $27.23 is what the salesperson gets to keep when they sell this couch for $495. All right. How much money will the store get from the sale of the couch? Okay, so the store gets to keep the difference of the commission that they got to pay the salesperson and the price that they actually get for the couch. So this is a pretty easy setup. All you got to do is $495 and subtract $27.23. So that's the amount of money that the store gets to keep because the commission goes to the salesperson. So $495, and then we take away the $27.23, and that gives us our amount for the store, which is $467.77. And that's how much the store makes off the sale, because they got to pay their salesmen for working hard out on the floor and getting that couch sold. And that's number 3.